Hello traders, this is Successful Trading aka Telexon here. Today's video, I want to answer the question, how much money do you need to start trading option? There are a lot of things out there for option traders, beginners, and they're wondering exactly, hey, how much money do I need to trade option? We are going to answer this question in two parts, right? The first part is going to be any requirement regarding the broker that you may be using, and the second part, which I'm really interested in, it's the actual trading itself of option, right? So meaning when you are trading option, how much money do you need? Because that's that's the main thing. So let's talk about the brokers first. There are several brokers out there. We know that some of them, they may have a requirement in terms of minimum amount to deposit on the account. So such broker, for instance, is E-Trade. The amount is exactly 1,000. But here's the thing. That $1,000 is not because you're gonna need it to trade. That $1,000, like the requirement, in order for them to give you access to live quotes of the stock price and then the option price. I don't know why they do it like that, but that's just how it is. But other brokers, Webull, for instance, for which we have many videos in this channel, right? You can deposit $5 if you want on your account at the time. And my friend, in the second part, you are going to show you examples of trading option with $5. That's definitely possible. So another broker out there for international traders, I think, is Tastyworks. That's one as well. Is very flexible for trading options. So once you have created the account and get past that minimum deposit or not, let's go actually and look at examples of trade that for us we have been able to take. So I think I have a slideshow on here in this article on our blog, Successful Tradings. Here's a trade here for 2 cents on May the 27th of QQQ, 3,000% a trading QQQ in 20 minutes. So I'm just going to touch it on here for the slider to be moving. 30-minute trade on QQQ on May the 20th from 5 cents, meaning $5 in real money, folks. Yeah, that's what's up. So let's take a look at another one. This one is 30 cents. So let's even talk about it. 30 cents is too expensive. 9 cents. Okay, so with $9, you can make 1,000% trading QQQ option. In this case, it was an hour, and this happened on July the 20th. Today is August 4th. So I have a very brand new trade that we just did. It is 9:57 Pacific time. You know that I'm in California. So I'm going to show you a trade that just happened this morning. So for that, my apologies on here. Oops, I need to go to, sorry about that. I just need to go to my Discord, live into my Discord, and actually on this channel is one of the channels, so you are looking at the dates here, August the 4th, right? So 6:13 Pacific time, meaning the market has not yet opened. I gave this strict instruction as part of a strategy called the gangster strategy, if you don't know about it. So I teach that on here, so but it gives you clear instruction on what to get. So for us, we bought the Baba 91 puts. We got filled for them a ton. Yeah, well, what's a ton, right? For 6 cents, meaning in real money, $6. Yeah. So here I was sharing how I took partial profit at SAS at 16 cents. But my friend, the trade didn't stop there because this was just after 41 minutes. Yeah, 9:30 Eastern when the market opened, 6:30 Pacific. So after 41 minutes, he would have already been able to make $10 profit on a 6 cents contract when it's worth 16 cents. That's more than 150%. Not too shabby. Yeah, this type of return, folks. This is what we enjoy in this strategy. But the good, look at the good part. The good part is that this contract, they continue appreciating. Here's the chart, the 15-minute chart of trading of Alibaba. This is what it was looking at. So the entry was when the stock price was almost as its max, right? So this is a technique that I teach you on here if you're an option trader beginner, on how to take advantage of this. So let's go all the way to the end. Well, the end here was literally in a matter of, I didn't even have time to finish writing this. 7:11, 7:18. So in this 7-minute span, this contract, look how they appreciated. 20 cents, 24 cents, 30 cents, 43 cents, all the way. So the market opened at 9:30. So by 10:18, which is exactly less than 50 minutes, you could have made a profit of about 40 cents on a 6 contract. That's what, that's 700%. They're about, yeah, 42 cents here. So 700% in 50 minutes. Not so bad. So imagine then if I make a thumbnail video for this video where I said, oh, learn how to make 700% on option trading. People are going to say, some people are going to say, how is that possible? Yeah, this must not be true. But folks, this is something that we have been teaching our traders on here at Successful Trading. So here's what's going to happen. So you go to successfultradings.com, you read this article, how much money do you need to trade options? Yeah. So what I want to take away from you, do not hesitate anymore or listen to people who are saying, oh, you need an account with $5,000 or $10,000. No. None of that matters. It depends on the strategy that they're getting you to trade, right? Oh, here's another one. Oh, this one literally, folks. I think I was updating this article yesterday. So which one is this? This was Roku. Yes. Oh, very good. I didn't even plan for this. This is so nice. As you see, you get the excitement in my voice. Here's a 10-bagger, folks. Here's a 10-bagger that you're going to see on the article. So this literally happened, I believe, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? Because Roku has been on the ramp on this week, right? But this is the watch list. I'm giving out secrets here. So we have a watch list, a weekly watch list that's our subscribers, they get to know. We know ahead of time which we are going to be trading. But yesterday, my friend, look here. The Roku 79 calls, they were as low as 7 cents. And at the time of the screen capture, they went to 66 cents bid, 70 cents ask. This is a clear 10-bagger, more than 900% profit. Oh yeah, by the way, how long did it take? So E-Trade option trading Roku, August the 5th. We are August 4th today. So yes, so meaning this was a live example. It hasn't get past yet. Tomorrow is August the 5th. 79 calls. By the way, those 79 calls, Roku went to $85 today. So we made more money on it. They cost 7 cents and return 70 cents is 90 minutes. So that's definitely something that I forgot that I put that on there because the examples are so many. But here, I want your plan of action. Here, what's your plan of action today? After you have watched this video on how much money do you need to trade options, to start trading options, right? To start your option trading career. I always tell traders, please treat this as a business and trust it's going to change your mindset. So step number one, depending on how much money you have right now, it doesn't matter how much you have, right? But if your scenario is number one is that, hey, you have more than 1K, it's preferable to sign up for E-Trade account. I will explain shortly why. But if not, you open a Webull account and you deposit whatever amount of money you have. The third thing on here is the most important one. In either case, right, I want you to go to find my Discord channel and then to sign up for the 10-bagger, because in that program, you are going to learn how to start trading this type of option with $9, $10, $12, and so forth. That's what we do here. And then you're going to start learning how to trade options for a living, my friend, without needing thousands of dollars that people turn on here. And yeah, step number 5 here, once you have increased your account over $1,000, go to step 1 in case you're starting from step number 2. The reason for that, folks, because Webull and other platform other for option traders, they have some restriction about, oh, you cannot trade on expiration day. Like if the stock is too volatile, and some of these stocks, trust me, they are. We're not talking about penny stock. We're talking about major stock, the Baba of the world or the Roku of the world. When the market is volatile, all of a sudden they will tell you that, because we don't want to limit the risk, you cannot take a trade on it. That's the reason why for me, I prefer that if you have the necessary capital, 1K, you open an account on E-Trade. Otherwise, you just open one on Webull, for instance, and you will be good to go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.